So a little update of what's going on here. This is all part of the power feeder. So this is, I don't even know what you'd call that. That's where the pipes intersect. This is the power feeder unit right here. Big, heavy, stinking unit. But this is the rust. I just posted a couple pictures in the story, but you can see how thick this rust is to the point where we can't get this apart. So I have to strip this rust down to get it apart so I can strip the rest of the rust down, break it down. But when it's done, we get this mounted. So this is pretty clean. There's still some staining and stuff, but it came out pretty nice. And this was just like that one. So we're gonna pull the second one apart, put it back together, hopefully get this thing mounted today because I want it off the floor. I'm doing a little repair on this piece here. This is the cap that goes on top of the power feeder, but it has some cracks in it here. I was gonna weld them, but I don't feel like it. So what I'm gonna do, instead of grinding those all the way out, is I'm making a steel plate, 1/4 inch thick. It's gonna go on here. I'm gonna clamp those cracks shut, put this on top, drill, tap, screw this together. This won't break. It'll hold that together, and I shouldn't have to worry about it. There's not a lot of strain on this, but I guess there was with all the rust on it. So it cracked, and it's got a little bit of a bend in it. So instead of setting up and doing that, worried about the cast iron cracking again, we're putting regular steel on it.